Hello everyone, my name is Denis and today we're gonna talk about real estate brokerage companies and I find four of them. It is a Redfin Corporation with ticker RDFN, Realogy Holdings with ticker RLGY, RMAX Holdings with ticker RMAX, and EXP Holdings with ticker eXp. Why? Actually, we have some solid franchise companies like Realogy and RMAX, and some new, but they are fresh and they have their own view to the market. It is a Redfin. Actually, they're just dumping a little bit the market, and the EXP Holdings, they are online brokerage company with some sort of MLM and stock. Market cap of Redfin $2 billion with negative income, Realogy $1 billion with negative income, but the sales are like X10. RMAX market caps 700 millions, but they are profitable and they are paying dividends. And the EXP Holdings market cap 700 millions, and they are a little bit negative. And I will start from a fresh one. It is a Redfin, and they have a really nice website. You can check it. It is a real estate brokerage company in the United States. The company operates an online real estate marketplace and provides real estate services, including assisting individuals in purchase of or sell their residential property. And they also provide title and settlement services. It is priced $21.62 with 5 hold ratings, 11 buy ratings, and consensus price target 24. Actually, the chart looks like this, and I think it's nothing interesting on a chart because they are new and it's nothing to see here, but the price is 21. I think it's really huge with the negative net income. First quarter of the whole years are negative for all of that companies, and it's just a fact. Here we can see that they are strongly negative company and they couldn't make profit, and I think they wouldn't make it. 8% in insider ownership, and insiders always sell, and huge institutional ownership, 91%, and it's like 100% sold, and I couldn't find some ways to go up for this stock. I think they wouldn't make it. And here we can see United States market share by value, and they got around 1% right now, but it took them, like here, June 30 here, it was like plus 0.10% in 1 year, and they really need lots of time to get like a huge amount of market share. Now they have only 1. And we can go to REMAX. The price is 37 now. Consensus price target 36, 3 buy rating, 2 hold, and they are quite close for consensus price target. Here how a chart looks, and we have a maximum for $66, and in this point the stock doesn't look overpriced, or I think it's a normal price for that stock, and they're paying dividends around maybe 1-2% with not really high payout rate of 41%. good insider ownership percentage 0.5, and director buys the stock, and it seems strong for me. The institutional buying chart looks really nice, everybody buying. And if you're thinking to buy some real estate brokerage firm, I think RMAX would be the nice one. Or maybe you can buy the whole sector, like 4 stocks. And we're going to some kind of MLM in real estate brokerage firms. Favorable commission splits in 80 to 20, with cap only $16,000, and actually it can be like 100 to 0, and it is interesting, but for 100 to 0 you really need to sell lots of houses, or they can be really expensive. Here you can see a revenue share plan chart, and actually you can make money on training some other guys, and it is interesting. They are a little bit not profitable, but it's not a problem for them. We have only one analyst rating, and it's like $20, and now it's 10 or 11. And here how a chart looks, and they have a really interesting pushing scheme for first agents, I think, and they have lots of agents who bought stocks here, and they have some kind of strange MLM scheme to sell their stocks, and if you bought it in 2015, actually you don't bought it, you just receive like bonuses. After 3 years you will got lots of stocks. Actually they made like more than 1,000 millionaires, and it is interesting. If you are looking a job in real estate, I suggest you to look closely to EXP. Actually all agents own little pieces of company, and now they have more than 25,000 agents in United States and Canada. They can show profit, and it is nice. Now they have some little problems, I think. It is not super high and negative earning per share. It is just minus 22 millions with revenue of 500 millions. Insiders always sell because they got that stocks like options schemes, and it is not huge, like 3 million, 2 million per quarter. Institutional owners ownership only 10%, and it is not huge. We have a really big opportunity to grow, and I didn't find something interesting in 10K and 10Q report. The EXP, I think they are interesting because you just have to read the articles, so it's quite interesting. Realogy. The company is a franchisor of residential real estate brokerage with some of the recognized brands in real estate like Century 21 and other. 3 sell rating, 3 hold ratings, consensus price target 7.5, lower than 9.26. And here how chart looks like. It was $52 and then dropped down to 4 and 6, super low. They're paying dividends, and now it's really huge yield with not really huge payout ratio. In first quarter they are mostly not profitable, But actually I didn't see something bad, just a regular company. Consistently profitable, and we can see some grow in operating revenue. Insider ownership really low, 1.2%, and CEO and director buying the stock, and it's nice. Institutional buying chart looks not bad, and actually they are having not only real estate franchise service, they have some relocation services and title and settlement services. And I will come back to this screen, because I think if I will buy that sector, I definitely want to buy like whole sector, because it's hard to predict what company will skyrocket. But here what I can see here, Redfin, actually they just dumping, and they maybe couldn't make any profit. Realogy, big sales, but I think this old scheme with franchisee are starting not working right now. RMAX, they looks nice, but if the company like Redfin and eXp will do something, I think they will go in trouble really fast. And we have some interesting MLM brokerage online company. Actually, I think I wouldn't buy any of this stock, because I think I know places better for my money. And I'm really interested, what do you think about whole real estate property brokerage firms? Please leave a comment below, and if this video was helpful, please push the like button and subscribe button. Maybe I will make a close research for eXp, because I waste maybe 5 hours reading the site and 10Q and 10K report, and I didn't find anything suspicious, but they have interesting scheme, because they're offering business for individual realtors, and individual realtors, it's like 40% of the realtors, and I think they can make a huge win here, or maybe no. Thank you for your time, and bye bye.